Hello guys. Now we are
Wondering how to make a play all night. Flipping your way, panic. So what am I late like me? Somebody like me.
Here are some live fishes like tilapia is there. Water. Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. Hello guys. Now we are currently in a park type of thing. Actually we came to a market. We wanted to do some shopping and exploring today, and today is Sunday, that's why. And when we were coming here we saw this beautiful park, and that's why we are here to spend some time,
Enjoy.
yeah, we're just spending some time. And yet see, the view is so beautiful from here. I mean, I can see the giant Ferris wheel in the water. Like this view
Wondering
is
how to make a
so
play all night.
touching,
Flipping
so
your
that's
way
why
from
we
out of
just
sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing no right.
time,
You
and then
weren't
we gonna go
easy,
to the
so hard
market.
to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Such a look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So what am I late? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You the city, how'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, the only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked. So what am I late? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
Now we are here in the market. First of all, there is the fruits and vegetables section. Here we are in the fruits and vegetables section. As you can see, there are lots of food. There are the spinach, and potato, onions, watermelon, tomato, cucumber, garlic, banana, many things. Now we are moving ahead. There are more fruits and
somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked. So what am I late? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
wanted to go souq. Now we are, and this food center for souq. As you can see, there are so many vegetables, all types of, dry fruits. And here are some fresh juices.
Yeah, fresh juices.
Now we are here in the fish section. Fish. Yeah. Fish section. Something happened to my tongue. My tongue is sleeping. Anyway, now there are so different kind of fishes in here, as you can see. And yeah, this place is also stinky. Oh. First of all, when I entered this place, I almost wanted to vomit. But now it's kind of fine because, I adjusted, yeah. So there are many, still it stings. Anyway, what I was saying, yeah, there are many kinds of fish. As you can see, this fish, that fish, orange fish, yellow fish, brown fish, black fish. This is quite a large fish. Yeah, but fish. All the
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from outside. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up
Here
on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like.
fish.
Such a look in
So
the
different
dim bar
kinds of
light.
prawns.
So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting.
As you can see, there are lots of fishes. And finally I got something new to show you. See, there are sharks. See, these are some baby sharks. Not like totally baby.
And how to make a play all night.
Here are some more
You're away
fishes.
from our sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard
Everywhere
to
there's
ignore.
just fish. I just want to go now because I'm really feeling not good, the smell of fishes. Here are some live fishes, like tilapia is there.
Live. See
Yeah.
how they swim in the water.
Yeah, I mean, they look a bit dangerous to me. And here are some squid. More and more fishes. Anyways.
Squid.
Now, I'm not liking the smell anymore, so I really want to go home now. Because, now I don't want to stay in here anymore. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.